That's all I gotta say. Another day, another win. Let's go. Another win. Another day, another win. Easy longs today. Streak continues. Let's go to the live account. Let me switch this back real quick. Let me show you guys the live account. Huge day for the live account. We're up to $435 right now. Today's P&L, you guys will be able to see soon enough when the camera focuses. $103. Absolutely cooking the account. Killing it with these trades. I mean, the market has been very generous to us today, so nothing much else to say about that. Today was honestly cake. It was super cake. I really am surprised that people out there lost. Took this singular long in NQ. Unfortunately, we did get trailed out, and it did cause me to, not make as much, but it's fine. Not a big deal. Now, let me explain my theory behind the trade today. Let me just put this on NQ. We don't need ES out here. First things first, let's go to the 4 hour here. Let's hide all these drawings so we can kind of see what we're working with. All those executions are for paper trading, so don't even pay attention to them. What do I see? Let's go to replay mode just so that we can see perfectly right here. Okay, so what do we see? We see us want to see a clear continuation higher. We have very clear targets right up here. We have to fill these two giant 4 hour gaps, which I believe it's also, no, it's not a daily gap, but it's like a very clear area of interest. So my bias for the day was long. We had also both a 4 hour and an hourly gap right here, which I wanted to see filled. We had the most obvious setup of all time, which I called out on my Instagram if you didn't see, which was just manipulation lower and then continuation higher. However, we didn't make it all the way up to these highs and these highs. We probably will tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. I think we'll end this week around this range right here. What do we see overnight? Not much, to be honest. I did call out this trade right here during Asia that honestly, like, it would have worked. I'm not gonna lie, it would have worked. I don't know what your take profit would have been, but I remember calling it out. It was, where is it? This trade, it's like somewhere over here. So this trade right here, you could have probably targeted, I don't know, some type of, let's see. Could have gone for like a 1-to-1. Let's just say that. One boom right there, 1-to-1, easy as it gets. And yeah, but during Asian London, didn't really do much. We didn't really move either. And come New York Open, we make the following moves. We have our 4 hour gap, which is also a 1 hour gap. Let me delete this. So my theory was the following. My theory was, okay, we're gonna move lower, take out these lows, all of these lows right here, and then move higher. Perfect. That's exactly what happened. And on top of that, I think we got what is to date the most perfect W pattern ever. Like, I mean, look at this. Literally can't be better. And on top of all this, we had an internal SMT from these lows and also an external SMT from these lows. So honestly, like, it was super, super obvious. I want to see manipulation lower, then continuation higher. One of my targets was obviously previous day high, which is right up here. My other target was the open high, and then the final target would have been this previous day high. Unfortunately, we didn't go all the way up to that previous day high, but that's all right. Not the end of the world. So yeah, ended up taking this trade after seeing the following. So let me just kind of put you guys in my mind. We see a liquidity sweep. We flip this 1 minute. We have a very clear, like, lower high right here. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, initially I wanted to see us push past above this in order to take this long, for this lower high to get taken and to make a higher high. Thankfully, we ended up making another lower high, and right here on this change of state of delivery, higher high, peak of the W, I entered. Because at the same time, we also had a lot of momentum in this candle. We had a very clear momentum on this candle, so I entered. On that candle right there, take profit 1 and break even was at this New York AM high. I ended up taking at this. It took one contract. Then my second take profit got hit basically on the exact same candle, which is right here. My final take profit was this previous day high right here, just to see if we could get a runner going. Unfortunately, didn't happen, but thankfully I trailed to this lower high right here, because after seeing such a strong closure from this 1 minute candle in the right direction and seeing these candles kind of hold, I'm like, okay, perfect. We have this 1 minute to protect us. If we are truly bullish, we're going to see us tap into this 1 minute and continue higher. We should not see ourselves go any lower. Therefore, I decided to put my stops right here, leaving us, stopping us out at this giant dump candle right here, which was kind of interesting. Honestly, I don't really know what happened there, but doesn't matter. We had the winning day. We had the winning trade. Ended up about $800 on the day, or sorry, $1,000 on the day, $495 per account. Very good trade, yet again. And nothing much else to say, to be honest. I mean, this is just picture perfect W setup. Two longs. We had SMT, look, super liquidity, strong closure, good momentum, everything. Obviously, we didn't take out this final because, and the reason I left this runner is because yesterday we saw this, like we saw after our trade, which was right here, we saw price just continue trickling higher and higher. I thought maybe we'd do something similar today, so that's why I took the chance. Didn't happen. That's all right. Took the same trade on the live account. Live account also got trailed out there. If we had gone all the way up here, it would have been like a $200 day, which would have been insane. But it's okay. Maybe tomorrow will be a $200 day. The account is absolutely cooking. Rest of the day, we kind of just chopped around. Not really anything else to say in that regard. The PM was just not good. As you can see, there's nothing here that I would be taking. And yeah, positive day. Another win. 6-0 win streak. Honestly, nothing much else to say. I uploaded a YouTube short about the day, like day one of turning $100 to $10,000 challenge. Hopefully that happens. Hopefully that can get some traction. You guys can watch these videos if you want to learn this strategy, the W and M strategy, which is the easiest strategy I've ever had in my life. You leave a comment down below and let me know if you actually want me to make a video about it, because unless I have some people actually watching my videos, I'm not gonna give this shit up for free. Like, this is like free. It'll be free sauce. Like, it'll be absolutely disrespectful for me to give that shit away for free. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll leave it at that for the video. Honestly, not much else to say. Super good day. Not trigger happy or anything. Was very patient also with these take profits. I could have easily taken like here or here or here. Was patient with the break even. So very, very positive day. We continue compounding. If I take one more, tomorrow could be a really good day as well. If I get another win, I'm gonna take a little payout, maybe open up some new accounts, try to pass them and add to the stack. So I'll leave it at that. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace out.